Imagine this. Deep inside your body, there's a hidden world, a bustling ecosystem in your gut that quietly controls your energy levels, your mood, how well you sleep, even how confident you feel walking into a room. Scientists have now cracked the code on how to heal and optimize this inner world. If right now you're waking up already exhausted, dealing with that uncomfortable bloating after almost every meal, wondering why your digestion feels unpredictable, or just sensing that something inside is holding you back from living fully, know that you're far from alone. Millions feel the same way every day. But here's the hopeful truth. These issues aren't inevitable. They can be reversed with simple, science-backed steps that fit into real life. Today, I'm walking you through exactly 6 proven strategies that have helped countless people reclaim their vitality. Picture this future version of yourself, waking up refreshed and light, enjoying food without worry, having steady energy from morning through evening, better focus at work or with family, and that quiet confidence that comes when your body finally feels like it's on your side. That's not a fantasy. It's achievable. Let's make it happen together. Dive in with me now. Hello, I'm Dr. Laura Bennett. Over 30 years of working closely with people, helping them reclaim their energy, their gut health, and really their joy in daily life. I've spent countless hours diving into the latest microbiome research, reading the studies, attending conferences, but most importantly, listening deeply to the real stories of thousands of adults just like you. Busy moms and dads juggling everything, professionals pushing through long days, people in their 40s, 50s, and 60s who thought, this is just how it is now. And over, one clear pattern kept showing up. So many wonderful people suffer quietly from gut problems that slowly steal their spark. They blame aging, stress, or bad luck. But the reality is these challenges are often very fixable once you understand what's really going on inside. The most exciting part? Modern science gives us clear, practical tools that work faster and more effectively than ever before. And today I'm excited to share the exact 6 steps that consistently deliver the biggest transformations. Let's begin with step 1. Introduce the right probiotics. The friendly bacteria that work like a gentle healing team inside you. Top research shows the correct strains can boost the population of good bacteria, dial down unnecessary inflammation, and help food move through your system more comfortably and efficiently. Here's why this matters so much. About 90% of your serotonin, the chemical that helps you feel calm, happy, and motivated, is actually made in your gut. When that balance is off, it can show up as low mood, brain fog, poor sleep, or even irritability that you can't quite explain. I've witnessed this shift firsthand. One woman in her late 40s told me she felt lost in her own body for years. Constant tiredness and anxiety. After focusing on targeted probiotics, she came back smiling, saying, "I feel like myself again, clear, patient, and actually excited about my day." You don't need anything complicated. Affordable at-home gut tests via apps can give you a personalized snapshot and suggest the best strains for your unique microbiome. Or start super simply at home. Brew your own kombucha. It's easy. Black or green tea, a bit of sugar, add a SCOBY. You can buy one online or get from a friend. Cover the jar, let it ferment 7 to 10 days at room temperature, and taste for that refreshing tang. Start with half a cup daily and build up. Most people notice reduced bloating, smoother digestion, and a surprising lift in energy within 2 to 4 weeks. Quick fun question to get you thinking. If you had to guess, which good bacteria family do you think your gut might be missing right now? Maybe lactobacillus for everyday digestion support? Or bifidobacterium for immune and mood help? Share in the comments. I read them all. But here's the key. Those good bacteria are like guests at a party. They need great food to stay happy and multiply. That's our next step. Step 2. Hydrate intelligently, because regular water by itself often falls short when it comes to truly supporting your gut lining. Your intestines rely on electrolytes. Think potassium, magnesium, sodium. To maintain their protective barrier, absorb nutrients efficiently, and prevent tiny leaks that can trigger fatigue, brain fog, and even food sensitivities over time. Solid studies confirm that adding these minerals during hydration strengthens the gut wall and noticeably reduces that dragged down feeling. Here's a habit that's changed lives for so many of my patients. Start your day and keep sipping on gut-friendly water. Squeeze half a fresh lemon into a large glass or bottle of filtered water, Add a small pinch of good sea salt, like Himalayan or Celtic, and just a dash of baking soda. Stir it up. It becomes lightly alkaline and electrolyte-packed, so your body actually uses it better. Aim to sip 2 to 3 full liters across the day. Keep a bottle nearby and take steady sips rather than gulping. One gentleman shared with me, "I used to crash every afternoon. Now I feel steady and light. No more heavy stomach after eating." If your current routine is just plain water, coffee, or sugary beverages, this small switch can feel transformative, like giving your gut the support it's been quietly asking for. With proper hydration in place, your gut is primed and ready for real nourishment. Step 3. Bring in prebiotic fibers, the special fertilizer that feeds your good bacteria so they grow stronger and work harder for you. Not every fiber does this. Prebiotics are the ones that specifically reach your colon and become food for the beneficial bugs. Large-scale research reviews show they help cut down bloating, ease abdominal discomfort, promote regular bowel movements, and even give your immune system a quiet boost. Everyday heroes include garlic and onions. Roast them, sauté them, add to almost anything. Slightly green bananas, they're higher in resistant starch. Rolled oats for breakfast porridge, asparagus, or even a little chicory root in herbal tea. Target 20-30 grams per day. It's more doable than it sounds once you get the rhythm. Try a loose weekly plan. Monday, oatmeal with banana. Tuesday, garlic roasted veggies. Wednesday, onion in your salad or soup. One client told me after a month, "For the first time in decades, my digestion is predictable. No more surprises or discomfort. I can actually plan my day around feeling good." Layer this on top of probiotics and smart hydration, and you start creating real synergy inside. But there's one common thief that can quietly sabotage even the best efforts: ongoing stress. Step 4. Actively manage stress using simple biofeedback tools, because chronic stress acts like a silent saboteur in your gut. When cortisol floods from work pressure, family demands, or constant worry, it directly harms populations of good bacteria, slows motility, and increases inflammation. The beautiful thing is that modern apps turn this around quickly and easily. They teach coherent breathing, a pattern that calms your nervous system in minutes. Sit or lie down for just 5-10 minutes. Inhale gently for 4 seconds, exhale slowly for 6, and let the app guide you with visuals or sounds while showing real-time heart rate variability feedback. Research consistently shows this lowers cortisol, eases gut symptoms like cramping or irregularity, reduces anxiety, and improves sleep quality. I've had so many say, "Those afternoon stomach knots I lived with for years, gone after a week of short sessions." Try one right now if you can. Even a 2-minute version during this video will show you the power. With stress dialed down, your gut can finally heal deeper, with a little targeted support from supplements. Step 5. Introduce a few science-backed supplements that help calm inflammation and repair the gut lining without any guesswork. Quality curcumin from turmeric is excellent at reducing inflammatory signals in the intestines. Glutamine acts like building blocks to strengthen and seal the gut barrier. Zinc helps maintain bacterial balance and immune function there. Choose reputable brands, take them at effective but safe doses, usually once in the morning and once at night with a meal. People frequently report subtle but powerful shifts: clearer skin, fewer food reactions, steadier energy, and that lighter inside feeling. These aren't overnight miracles, but they act like precision tools, speeding up the repair work your body is already doing with the previous steps. And finally, step 6. Make tracking and personalization your secret weapon. Your gut microbiome is completely unique, like a personal fingerprint. So what works amazingly for one person might need tweaking for you. Easy at-home test kits let you mail a tiny sample and get back a straightforward report highlighting imbalances, along with tailored suggestions. Combine that with everyday wearables, like a smartwatch, that tracks sleep quality, heart rate patterns during stress and daily activity. Suddenly, patterns emerge. "Oh, when I get better sleep, my morning bloating is gone." Or, "Stress spikes directly correlate with slower digestion." People who adopt this habit stay consistent, make smart adjustments, and often achieve the most lasting, profound changes. You shift from guessing to knowing. You become the true expert and CEO of your own health. Let's lock this in with a quick recap. Step 1. Write probiotics to repopulate and heal. Step 2. Smart electrolyte hydration to protect and energize. Step 3. Prebiotic fibers to feed and strengthen. Step 4. Biofeedback for stress to calm and restore. Step 5. Proven supplements to repair and reduce inflammation. Step 6. Personal tracking to customize and sustain. These 6 steps, when done together, can create a real turning point in how you feel every single day. Now imagine that life. Waking up naturally refreshed, moving through your day with steady, calm energy, enjoying meals without second guessing, having sharper focus for what matters most, and that deep sense of lightness and freedom inside. And what if there's one convenient natural powder that weaves together many of these principles and adds gentle liver support for accelerated results? That's Finessa, a simple daily powder that helps ease constipation and bloating, promotes smooth digestion, balances your microbiome, and assists in clearing everyday toxins so you feel lighter, clearer, and more vibrant overall. It's thoughtfully formulated with turmeric to combat inflammation, dandelion root to encourage healthy intestinal movement, milk thistle to support your liver's detox pathways, and polyphenol-rich ingredients that actively nourish your good bacteria. All from natural sources, highly absorbable, and with no known side effects for most people. Thousands are sharing their stories: renewed mental sharpness, noticeably brighter skin, a metabolism that feels alive again, and that wonderful daily sense of being truly light and energized. If this sparks your curiosity and you'd love to learn exactly how Finessa is helping so many people finally break free from gut struggles and step into more vitality, just click the link in the description right now to explore more. Be sure to also check the pinned comment. I left extra tips, details, and updates there for you. And if you're ready to take the next step, drop a quick comment below. I'll personally reply with some tailored suggestions just for you. If today's message connected with you, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the bell so you catch every new science-based video on reclaiming your health. Thank you for being here. Remember, the science is firmly on your side. Heal your gut and you'll unlock far more of your true potential than you ever imagined. See you in the next one.